So initially, I thought it was just a matter of matching the two. Your personal preferences and your foot data along with shoe data. And so if we could use, again, a lot of the analytics tools that already exist, machine learning, we could get the best experts in the world to finally match us accurately with the 20 billion shoes that are manufactured every single day around the globe. We all work together to get a National Science Foundation grant and to build our smartphone-based foot scanner. And we started testing this with shoes across sneakers, hiking boots, dress shoes, and we realized that data matching is not the solution. It's actually a design and manufacturing problem that we need to address. If we wanted to focus on foot data and how that could improve the design, improve the manufacturing techniques, then we calculated it would take up to 10 years for us to finally impact the physical shoes that you and I would put on our feet. And we reflected. We reflected on actually going back to the individual and thinking about custom-made shoes, right? And today, they cost between $3,000 to $10,000, take between 3 to 12 months to make. But if we could take those principles of fit and luxury and we could merge them with scientifically proven benefits of ergonomic design, and we could leverage these amazing technologies around AI and advanced manufacturing and modularity, then perhaps we could make that accessible and for the everyday shoe. And so that was when IAMBIC decided to pivot to our own shoe brands.